France, a land of history, culture, and grandeur. Welcome to France, a land of romance, history, and breathtaking beauty. In this video, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through its iconic landmarks, charming villages, and rich cultural heritage. From the elegance of Paris to the sun-drenched vineyards, the stunning coastlines, France has something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the magic, the flavors, and the wonders of this incredible country. Geographical location and map. France, located in Western Europe, is bordered by Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Spain, Andorra, and Monaco. The country also boasts coastlines along both the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, making it a geographical marvel. With landscapes ranging from majestic mountains to serene beaches and vast open plains, France truly has it all. Situated at approximately 46.6 degrees north latitude and 2.0 degrees east longitude, France's capital, Paris, rests in the north-central part of the country, serving as the political, cultural, and economic heart of the nation. The country is divided into 18 administrative regions, including 13 in metropolitan France and 5 overseas territories. Some of France's most remarkable overseas regions include Réunion, Guadeloupe, Martinique, French Guiana, and Mayotte, each with its own unique culture and geographical significance. Total area and global ranking, spanning an impressive 551,695 square kilometers, 213,011 square miles, France stands as the largest country in the European Union and the third largest in Europe, following only Russia and Ukraine. But wait, there's more. When you include its overseas territories, France's total area expands to a staggering 643,801 square kilometers, 248,573 square miles. And on the global stage, France proudly ranks as the 49th largest country by land area, solidifying its significant presence on the world map. Population and demographics. With an estimated 68 million people, France is the second most populous country in the European Union, just behind Germany. But on a global scale, it holds the 22nd spot. France isn't just about numbers, it's about diversity. Enriched by centuries of migration and cultural exchange, the country boasts a dynamic and multicultural society. Add to that a high standard of living, universal health care, and a strong emphasis on social welfare, and it's easy to see why France remains one of the world's most desirable places to live. Religious composition and freedom. France is a secular nation with a rich and diverse religious landscape. Here's a closer look at its major religious affiliations. Christianity. Around 47 to 50% of the population identifies as Christian, with the majority being Roman Catholic. Islam, the second largest religion, with 8 to 10% of the population, making France home to one of the largest Muslim communities in Europe. Judaism. France holds the largest Jewish population in Europe, making up 0.5 to 1% of the total population. Buddhism. About 1% of the population follows Buddhism, primarily among Asian communities. Hinduism and other religions, smaller religious groups, including Hindus and Sikhs, account for about 1%. Atheism and agnosticism. A significant 30 to 35% of the population identifies as non-religious or atheist. At the heart of France's identity lies laïcité, a strict secular policy that ensures religious freedom while keeping religion separate from the state. This means that everyone, regardless of faith, is free to practice their beliefs without government interference, while public institutions remain neutral on religious matters. Major cities and their populations. France is home to vibrant, historic, and culturally rich cities, each with its own unique charm. Paris, the City of Light. With a staggering 11 million people in its metropolitan area, Paris is world famous for its Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. Marseille, a bustling port city in the south, home to 870,000 people. Known for its multicultural atmosphere and the historic Old Port, Marseille is a melting pot of cultures. Lyon, with a population of 520,000, Lyon is a gastronomic paradise, rich in history, Renaissance architecture, and a thriving silk industry. Toulouse, nicknamed La Ville Rose, the Pink City, for its beautiful terracotta buildings, Toulouse is home to 500,000 residents and serves as a major aerospace hub. Nice, a Mediterranean dream. Located on the French Riviera, Nice has around 340,000 residents and is adored for its stunning beaches and the famous Promenade des Anglais. Bordeaux. With 260,000 inhabitants, Bordeaux is synonymous with wine, boasting world-renowned vineyards and breathtaking historic architecture. Lille, a northern gem with 230,000 people, Lille is a cultural and educational powerhouse with strong Flemish influences, a true blend of history and modernity. Top tourist places, historical sites, rivers, and beaches in France. Paris. The City of Lights, the Seine River, the lifeline of Paris. The Seine River, running through the heart of Paris, has shaped the city's history, trade, and culture. It's more than just a river. It's the soul of Paris. Many of Paris's most famous landmarks are located along the Seine, including Eiffel Tower, best viewed from the riverbanks or during a magical boat cruise. Louvre Museum overlooks the Seine, connected by historic bridges, whispering tales of art and history. Notre Dame Cathedral, standing tall on Ile de la Cité, an island in the Seine, it's a timeless masterpiece. Pont Alexandre III, one of the most beautiful bridges in the world, connecting the Champs-Élysées with the majestic Invalides. For a breathtaking experience, Bateau Mouche river cruises offer stunning views of Paris at night. Watch as illuminated landmarks reflect in the shimmering water. The Loire Valley, the land of castles and rivers. The Loire River, France's longest river. Stretching an incredible 1,006 kilometers, the Loire River is the longest in France, flowing through the enchanting Loire Valley. Surrounded by over 300 breathtaking chateaux, lush vineyards, and charming villages, the Loire Valley is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that captivates every traveler. Some of its most iconic landmarks include Château de Chambord, the grandest castle of them all, built for King Francis I. Château de Chenonceau, a mesmerizing castle built over the River Cher, a tributary of the Loire. Château d'Amboise, the final resting place of the legendary Leonardo da Vinci. The Loire riverbanks are perfect for cycling, wine tasting, and stepping into history. Immerse yourself in a fairy tale. 3. Mont Saint-Michel and the tidal phenomenon. Mont Saint-Michel is a medieval abbey that appears to float on water during high tide. Located in Normandy, it is one of the most unique sites in the world. The tides around Mont Saint-Michel are among the highest in Europe, rising up to 15 meters. Visitors can walk across the sands during low tide, just as medieval pilgrims once did. Fourth Provence, lavender fields, Roman heritage, and the Rhône River. The Rhône River, the bridge between history and nature. The Rhône River flows from Switzerland into southeastern France, passing through cities like Lyon, Avignon, and Arles. It was once a vital Roman trade route, and its banks still hold the echoes of history, ancient ruins standing as silent witnesses to the past. Avignon's famous bridge, Pont Saint-Bénézet, partially remains standing over the Rhône, a reminder of time's relentless passage. Arles, a city along the Rhône, is home to breathtaking Roman amphitheaters and ruins, including a Colosseum-like arena. The Camargue, a unique river delta. Where the Rhône meets the Mediterranean, the Camargue region unfolds, a wild, marshy land full of life and mystery. It is famous for its white horses, pink flamingos, and black bulls, making it one of Europe's most unique ecosystems. 5. The French Riviera, Côte d'Azur, France's most beautiful beaches. 1. Nice, the jewel of the Riviera. The city of Nice is renowned for its stunning Promenade des Anglais, a beachfront walkway lined with graceful palm trees and kissed by the sea breeze. Plage de la Beau Rivage and Castel Plage are among the finest beaches in Nice, boasting clear blue waters and postcard-worthy views. 2. Saint-Tropez, the playground of the rich and famous. Once a quiet fishing village, Saint-Tropez transformed into a world of glitz and glamour after being popularized by Brigitte Bardot in the 1950s. Pampelonne Beach, with its golden sands and exclusive beach clubs, is a haven for celebrities and jet-setters. 3. Cannes, luxury and film history. Cannes, synonymous with elegance and cinema. Known for the world-famous Cannes Film Festival, the city also boasts luxurious beaches. Plage de la Croisette, a glamorous stretch of sand framed by high-end hotels and fashion boutiques. Ile de l'Érins, a short boat ride away, these islands offer a secluded paradise with untouched beaches and medieval monasteries. 4. Monaco and Monte Carlo. Although not part of France, Monaco is surrounded by French territory and offers breathtaking coastal views. Larvotto Beach is a must-visit, with its crystal-clear waters and a skyline that exudes sophistication. 6. Normandy, D-Day, beaches and coastal history. Omaha Beach and Utah Beach, the Normandy beaches, where history was written in courage and sacrifice. On June 6, 1944, the D-Day landings changed the course of World War II forever. Omaha Beach, one of the most iconic landing sites, is now a place of deep reflection and remembrance. The Normandy American Cemetery, overlooking Omaha Beach, stands as a solemn tribute to the thousands of soldiers who gave their lives for freedom. Etretat Cliffs, a natural wonder. Rising dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, the white chalk cliffs of Etretat are a breathtaking sight. The famous Needle Rock Formation has inspired countless artists, including Monet, who sought to capture its beauty on canvas. 7. The Atlantic Coast, untamed beauty and surfing paradise. 1. Biarritz, France's surfing capital. Nestled in the Basque Country, Biarritz is a mecca for surfers. Its powerful waves attract thrill-seekers from across the globe. Côte des Basques and Grande Plage are legendary spots for water sports, where the ocean roars and adventure awaits. 2. Dune du Pilat, Europe's tallest sand. Dune near Arcachon, an awe-inspiring natural wonder rises, Dune du Pilat. Towering over 100 meters, it offers panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean and the vast pine forests stretching beyond the horizon. Climbing its golden sands is a challenge, but the reward, absolutely unforgettable. 8. The French Alps and Lac d'Annecy, the Lake of Crystal Waters, Mont Blanc and Chamonix, the roof of Europe. Mont Blanc, the giant of Western Europe. Standing at a towering 4,810 meters, it reigns over the Alps, drawing climbers and adventurers from all corners of the world. Chamonix, a world-famous ski resort, made history by hosting the first Winter Olympics in 1924. Lac d'Annecy, France's most beautiful lake. A jewel of nature, Lac d'Annecy mesmerizes with its turquoise waters, inviting visitors to swim, boat, or cycle along its shores. The city of Annecy, with its charming canals and pastel-colored houses, is often called the Venice of the Alps, and for good reason. Economic and global influence. France isn't just known for its breathtaking landscapes or rich culture, it's a global powerhouse. As a founding member of the European Union and a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, France plays a crucial role in shaping world politics, economics, and culture. With a nominal GDP of approximately $3 trillion, France ranks 7th globally, standing tall among the world's largest economies. And when it comes to individual wealth, the country boasts a strong per capita income of around $44,000, making it one of the wealthiest nations on the planet. Major industries and innovations. France has long been a pioneer of innovation, leading in multiple industries that have reshaped the modern world. Here's a glimpse of its remarkable achievements. Aerospace and aviation, home to Airbus, one of the world's largest aircraft manufacturers. France also dominates space exploration, led by the French space agency CNES. Automotive, from Renault to Peugeot to Citroën, France has revolutionized the global automotive market with its cutting-edge engineering and design. Fashion and luxury goods. Paris, the fashion capital of the world. With legendary brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, and Hermès, France defines elegance and luxury, energy and nuclear power. Did you know? France produces around 70% of its electricity from nuclear power plants, making it a leader in sustainable energy. Pharmaceuticals and healthcare. French companies like Sanofi are at the forefront of global medicine and vaccine production, saving millions of lives worldwide. Technology and artificial intelligence. With massive investments in AI, institutions like INRAE and thriving tech startups are propelling France to the cutting edge of innovation. Agriculture and wine production, a true gourmet paradise. France is a top agricultural producer renowned for its world-class wines, cheeses, and exquisite cuisine. High-speed rail and transportation, the TGV, Train à Grande Vitesse, is one of the fastest and most efficient rail networks in the world, redefining modern transportation. The future of innovation. France isn't stopping anytime soon. With strong government support for research and development, the country is making groundbreaking strides in space exploration, biotechnology, and sustainable energy, shaping the future for generations to come. Economic and global influence. France isn't just known for its breathtaking landscapes or rich culture, it's a global powerhouse. As a founding member of the European Union and a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, France plays a crucial role in shaping world politics, economics, and culture. With a nominal GDP of approximately $3 trillion, France ranks 7th globally, standing tall among the world's largest economies. And when it comes to individual wealth, the country boasts a strong per capita income of around $44,000, making it one of the wealthiest nations on the planet. Historical background and wars. France has a long and rich history, a nation that has shaped the modern world through its art, philosophy, and revolutions. From ancient times to global conflicts, France has stood at the center of history, influencing civilizations, ideologies, and power struggles. Here are some of the most defining moments in France's past. The Roman era, 52 BC to the 5th century AD. Once known as Gaul, France was conquered by Julius Caesar and remained under Roman rule for centuries. Magnificent cities, roads, and aqueducts were built, leaving behind a legacy that still endures today. The Frankish Kingdom, 5th to 10th century, the rise of the Franks, led by the mighty Charlemagne, established the Carolingian Empire, shaping the political and cultural landscape of Europe. The 100 Years' War, 1337 to 1453, a brutal century-long conflict between France and England. Against all odds, France emerged victorious, securing its national identity and reclaiming its lands. The French Revolution, 1789 to 1799, the world would never be the same. The revolution toppled the monarchy, ushering in the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity, ideas that would inspire nations across the globe. Napoleonic Wars, 1803 to 1815. Led by Napoleon Bonaparte, France dominated Europe, conquering vast territories, until his ultimate defeat at Waterloo. Yet Napoleon's legacy still influences military strategy, law, and governance today. World War I, 1914 to 1918, France suffered immense casualties, enduring the horrors of trench warfare, but ultimately emerged victorious as part of the Allied F-Forces. World War II, 1939 to 1945. In 1940, France fell under Nazi occupation, but the spirit of resistance burned bright. With the help of the Allies, France was liberated in 1944, reclaiming its place as a beacon of freedom. Modern conflicts. Today, France remains a global force, actively participating in NATO operations, the war on terror, and peacekeeping missions, continuing its commitment to security and diplomacy on the world stage. Major airports. France is seamlessly connected to the world through its bustling international airports, ensuring travelers can experience its beauty with ease. Whether you're landing in the heart of Paris or stepping onto the sun-kissed shores of the Riviera, these airports serve as gateways to unforgettable adventures. Charles de Gaulle Airport, CDG, Paris, the largest and busiest airport in France, connecting millions of travelers to destinations across the globe. Orly Airport, ORY, Paris, a vital hub for domestic and European flights, offering a smooth travel experience. Nice Côte d'Azur Airport, NCE, Nice, a stunning gateway to the French Riviera, welcoming visitors with breathtaking Mediterranean views. Lyon Saint-Exupéry Airport, LYS, Lyon, a crucial hub in southeastern France, offering access to the Alps, vineyards, and cultural treasures. Marseille Provence Airport, MRS, Marseille, the perfect entry point to southern France and the Mediterranean's enchanting coastline. Bordeaux Mérignac Airport, BOD, Bordeaux, your ticket to world-renowned vineyards and the charm of southwestern France. Popular hotels. France is home to some of the world's most luxurious, historic, and breathtaking hotels, offering travelers an experience of unparalleled elegance. Whether you're staying in a royal palace or a glamorous seaside retreat, these hotels redefine sophistication and comfort. The Ritz Paris, a legendary five-star hotel where luxury and history intertwine. Hôtel de Crillon, Paris, among France's most prestigious hotels, offering timeless grandeur and world-class service. Four Seasons, Hotel Georges Fèvre, Paris, a luxury icon, renowned for its breathtaking decor and Michelin-starred dining. Negresco Hotel, Nice, a Riviera gem, blending classic French charm with coastal elegance. Intercontinental Marseille, Hôtel Dieu, a stunning five-star retreat where history meets modern sophistication. Hôtel Le Bristol Paris, a renowned Parisian jewel celebrated for its opulent suites and fine dining experiences. Conclusion. France is more than just a destination. It's an experience that lingers in your soul. Whether you're marveling at the iconic landmarks of Paris, wandering through charming countryside villages, or basking in the sunshine of the French Riviera, there's something for everyone in this extraordinary country. From indulging in exquisite cuisine to exploring world-class museums or skiing in the breathtaking Alps, France promises a journey you'll never forget. With its seamless infrastructure, diverse landscapes, and rich cultural heritage, it remains a must-visit destination, perfect for those seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deep cultural immersion. Top tips for visitors. Learn basic French. While many speak English, knowing a few French phrases will make your trip more enjoyable and immersive. Use public transport. The metro and trains are efficient, affordable, and perfect for navigating cities like Paris. Book attractions in advance. Avoid long queues at top sites like the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre. Try local cuisine. Don't miss out on croissants, cheese, wine, and regional delights like coq au vin and ratatouille. Be mindful of pickpockets, especially in crowded spots like the Eiffel Tower, Champs-Élysées, and metro stations. Stay alert, dress smart. Parisians have an effortlessly chic style, so avoid overly casual outfits if you want to blend in. Explore lesser-known regions. While Paris is a must, don't miss hidden gems like Alsace, Brittany, or the Loire Valley for a truly authentic experience.